Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a new AI tool that's completely replaced your paid AI tools. Now this AI tool is absolutely free. At the end of this video you may probably stop paying most of these AI models. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Kingsley, and on this channel I talk about AI tools, I talk about crypto and different ways to make money online. So if you love videos just like this, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video. Alright guys, so the AI tool I'm going to be talking about in this video is called Arena.ai. Now all you need to do is to go over to their official website and sign up for an absolutely free account. Okay, so once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. So over here you will see the prompt box here. So this is where you can describe whatever you want, whether you are making any research or you're generating images, whatever you want to do. This is where you can go ahead and describe what you want to do. You can also upload images here and use it as reference to whatever image you want to generate on the platform. You can also upload files here. Now most people think that this AI tool is just for testing new AI models, but that is not completely the truth. The truth is that you can use different AI models here for absolutely free without paying for them legally. So if I click over here, this is going to open up. If I click on leaderboard here, you will see that with this AI tool, you can get access to Cloud, you can get access to Gemini 3.1, you can get access to Grok, you can get access to Gemini 3 Pro, GPT 5.4, GPT 5.2. You can see the list keeps on going on and on. If I click on view all here, you can see that you will be able to have access to a lot of paid AI tools on this platform for absolutely free. Alright, so let me quickly show you guys how to use it. Now the first thing you need to do is to come over here and click on battle mode. Once you tap on battle mode, this is going to open up. You can see they have the battle mode, which is basically you testing different AI models without knowing their name. They also have the side-by-side mode here, which compare two models of your choice. So using this mode, you can compare Gemini and ChatGPT. You can compare different AI models. If you click on this direct here, it simply means you are basically going to select one AI tool that you want to work with. For example, if you want to work with ChatGPT, Gemini, or maybe Grok or any other AI model you want to use, you can directly select it. So first, let's go ahead and click on this battle mode here, which is to test two anonymous models. So I'm just going to click on it and paste this prompt right here. And the prompt say, I need a YouTube script on the topic, how to make money with AI in 2026. So I'm just going to go ahead, click here, and you can see here, it's going to generate two responses. Now after the two responses, I'm going to go ahead and select which response I prefer the most. And after you select the response you prefer the most, they are basically going to show you the model that generates any of these two. So let's just go ahead and wait for the result to finish. It is still generating. Alright guys, so as you can see here, everything is completed. The results are completed. So all you need to do is to go through the result it gives you and the script you prefer the most, or you like the way they write the script. You can just go ahead and select which one you like the most. Here you can select A is better, or both are good, or both are bad, or B is better. So after you select it, they are going to show you which AI models generates any of these two. So personally, I have not gone through it, but I'm just going to go ahead and select A is better. And you can see at the top here, they are going to bring the AI models that generated two of these scripts. So you can see here, the AI tool that generated the first script on the left side here is Claude Opus 4 to 6. And on the right here, the AI model that generated these scripts here is Claude Sonnet 4.5, and that is the job of the battle mode. Now let's test the side-by-side comparison. Here is going to give you the opportunity to select the model you want. So if I click here, you can see you can use Gemini Pro here for free. You can use Gemini 2.5, Gemini 3 Pro here. You can use Gemini 3 Flash here for free. So for example, let's say we want to use Gemini 3.1 Pro preview. Let's say we want to use GPT 5.1. Let's go ahead and paste the same prompt here. So basically now we already know we are testing Gemini 3.1 Pro versus GPT 5.1. So I'm just going to go ahead and run it right here, and you can see the result is going to come out on both sides. So you can go ahead and check the result and see which of the AI model actually gave you what you want. So you can see GPT 5.1 started generating, and you can see Gemini 3.1 Pro preview is still trying to generate. So if you want something faster, you can probably go for GPT 5.1. You can see GPT 5 generated everything before Gemini 3.1 Pro started. So if you prefer the scripts that Gemini 3.1 gave you, you can select A is better. If you like the both of these scripts, you can just click both are good or both are bad, or B is better. So for me, let me just select Gemini 3.1 Pro as the winner here. Remember, I'm just showing you guys how this works. So that is how the side-by-side comparison work. So now the one we are going to be using in this video is the direct mode. So I'm just going to click on direct. Once you click on direct here, this is going to switch. Now over here, go ahead and click on max. Once you click on max here, you can go ahead and select the AI model you want. But the AI model we are going to be using in this video is Dola 2.0, and you can see here there are two versions of this AI model. They have the Dola Seed 2.0 preview version, and they have the Dola Seed 2.0 preview text. So we are going to be using the Dola 2 preview version here. So I'm going to select on it, and now let's go ahead and test it. So I have a couple of use cases which I'm going to be using in this video to show you guys how powerful this AI model is. So the first use case I'm going to do is to upload a photo of fridge containing groceries inside, and then I'm going to paste this prompt right here which says, analyze this photo of my fridge pantry, identify every ingredient you can see. Once identified, suggest 3 distinct recap ideas that only use these items plus basic staples like salt, oil, water. For each recap, provide a difficult rating and estimate prep time. And you can see it's running right here. Let's give it some time. So you can see the AI model is going to give me the full inventory of all visible fridge contents. All I need to do is to just go through all this information here and make use of it. So the next example is I'm going to upload a dashboard of a car, and this is the prompt I'm going to give the AI. I have uploaded a photo of a technical issue I'm facing. Identify exactly what this error code / warning light signifies. After that, I'm just going to click here. So after I submit it, the AI is basically going to analyze the dashboard and basically tell me the problem. Let's take a look at another example. I'm going to click here for new chat, upload this image here, and this is the prompt I'm going to give it. Analyze this screenshot of a message / email I received. Look for patterns of social engineering. If it is a scam, tell me exactly how to report or block it. Alright, so you can see here after it analyzes it, it says this is 100% a textbook phishing and social engineering scam. There is no actual issue with any of your accounts. Alright guys, so thanks for watching so much. If you want to see more AI tools just like this, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another awesome video just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.